I want to not feel afraid of making bold decisions. That's what I want. But when I have to stop my bold decision and start selecting stuff, I'm no longer bold. I exit this mode. Let's see here, I'm going to lower the pants, and all this will become a single dynamesh. Don't. Mirror well to make it symmetrical. The freedom this gives me is amazing. I'm not even worried about the problems it might cause for retopology later, because I've accepted it's part of life. What I'm concerned about now is this careful analysis of everything happening with it regarding the proportions. For example, if the boots aren't in the right place, or this plate, or the curvature of the plate, I want to adjust everything simultaneously. So my eye is always looking for stuff to work on. It's very chaotic in our minds and how we look for these things. Well, at least in my experience. Essentially, I can just jump around very fast and maybe work on the sole of the foot, making it straight. So that's what caught my attention now, but I didn't need to reselect or do anything special. And I love this freedom. It's very similar to clay, right? With clay, you just touch the tool and make the change. In 3D, oh my god, we have to open a third program, rename the file, change the scale, create groups, so many things. We waste so much time. So I've already changed the feet, but now I'm working on the leg. I change it and then I want to adjust this part here, pulling it up without even thinking about it. Walking like this is so liberating. I feel free to make any changes. I can switch from move mode to draw mode. Look, I found a line here. The plate itself is the least of my concerns. I'm thinking about this shape here, which is super clean. I can start working on it and hinting at it from the beginning. Even in this mess I can find clarity. Everything that pulls me out of this mode, I want to ignore as much as possible. And everything that brings me into this mode, I want to incorporate into my work.